Okay guys, asambeni sonika inja yami kudla. As you know guys, ngitshelele to previous video ukuthi inja yami ayidli madokmo. Ningawabona amancane so bekudla lenja leyihambile. So le khona ayidli. So ngende iplan ukuze ukuthi waste guys because I'm spending 500 a week for yona ukuthi ngithengele inyama idle inyama yodwana. So ngende iplan ukuthi ngimixe nemadokmo, ngwamixe nale chicken. So sibona ukuthi idodla yini. Let's go together because already selamnyango and ilambile. Let's go and give him. Juma, good morning baby. Here's your food my love. Enjoy. Let's see guys. Done. Okay. All right, let's see. Don't be shy, Lan. Okay. Bukela ngathi uyawadla nawo. Okay. Lan my baby ne. Lan. Ngiyakhipha mina ungangiluma. Nganye mfana mfaka inhlavu ngini. Faka inhlavu ngomgwaba mina. Oh, uyadla ma. Da unyula lenyama. Mara utodla guys. So I will come back once he's done. Akadli phela. Uyawadla. Okay. Uyadla guys. Because guys, excuse me, ngithenga 2 nami expression a week for inja. Ayiphela nami kuyazwela guys, kuyazwela. Okay.